Good morning, YouTube viewers. Been a while since I've done a video, but I found something that was worth making one over. There's a couple other videos out on YouTube of this boat, but I figured I'd make my own. A friend of mine came over the other day. He wanted to borrow my soldering iron and borrow my swimming pool to test out an airboat. So, okay, bring it over. It's not swimming season, but I can roll the cover back just for a float test. I do it all the time when we practice, when we do modifications to the sonic wake to do the self-riding. Throw it in the pool, see if it flips over. No big deal, bring it over. Brought it over, and this is what he brought. Well, this is mine, but same. This is 100% 3D printed. Well, obviously, not the electronics. But anyway, as soon as I saw this thing, I couldn't help myself. Fired up every 3D printer I had in the house. Took me about 3 days to print this thing. I guess about 3 rolls of filament, to complete it. Depending on, obviously you can see I didn't have 3 full rolls of the same color, so I got a little purple in there. But you can always reprint pieces as you go. You know, I'll probably end up reprinting those rudders in the back to either blue or black. I got some red in there because it's just what I had. But anyway, it is powered by the Hobbywing Quick Run 120 uncensored. It is waterproof. It's got a, I don't remember what model that motor is. I don't know if it says it on there. It doesn't. It's like a D3642. You can get them on Amazon. It's a 1450 kV motor. Everybody online does a 2-bladed prop. I think it's a 9x6. I bought one. And for some reason it shattered on first run. So I bought this 10 by 7.5 prop. I believe it actually fits that E-Flite turbo twin timber. Anyway, I bought that, cut 15 millimeters off each tip. I still need to balance it, so it's probably unbalanced, but it works. There is a seat that's supposed to go here. I haven't printed that yet. I got the little rails for it to go on, but I just got too excited. I had to try it out. I actually started, in the meantime, while I was waiting for parts, I started printing a whole nother one for a buddy of mine. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's got this rail system that holds it kind of all together. Oh, there's a bunch of parts. This is it. I'm going to add a video at the end of this of me driving it around in the canal behind my house. Later. shock we haven't sunk.
Now we did. Need the net?
Yep.